everyone, welcome to our video sessions with chapter number 11, and in this we do the part 4. That one is words. Last class we discussed about the area of trapezium. Now we learn about the area of quadrilaters. You know that what is quadrilaters? Quadrilaters means words and figures having words four sides. It's called quadrilaters. Today we now discuss about the area of quadrilaters. Now the today's topic is words, area of quadrilaters. You know that what is quadrilaters? Quadrilateral means words a polygon of four side. A polygon of four side is called what? Quadrilaterals. That means first we know that a side polygons of three sides is known as triangles. So let's say a polygon of four sides is called quadrilaterals. Now we learn about the area of quadrilaterals. Then how can we find the area of quadrilaterals? First we draw in quadrilaterals figures. Let okay. We take in words A, B, C, D, be a quadrilaterals. A, B, C, D, be a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D, words. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral with AC is with AC. AC is one diagonal. AC is one diagonal. Let's draw in a few quadrilaterals first. What type of quadrilaterals is there? Here is the quadrilateral. Now we give the name first A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and diagonals. It's one diagonal. Okay, AC. That means constructions AC. AC is also one diagonals. Then we parts. When we parts from the figures, what we got? Then from the figure, we got first two triangles. From the figure, how we got first two triangles? Area of parts. Here we got the words. Quadrilaterals, then it should become how many triangles is there? Two triangles. What are the two triangles? Two triangles. Then area of quadrilateral ABC from the figures. Okay. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD equal to what? Triangle. How many triangles from two triangles? Triangle ABC and triangle ABC. Then we can write area of triangle equal to area of triangle first. Area of triangle ADC. ADC plus ADC plus another triangle is what? AC or ABC plus area of triangle ABC. Here is the triangle area of ABC and ADC. And now we know the formula for triangle equal to words. Here is the AC is the common sides. When we constructions here a height. Okay, height H. This one is H. This one is H. H1, H2. That means height 1 and height 2. So we know this words area of a triangle ADC plus ADC. So area of triangle equal to words in a triangle ADC. That is the 1 by 2 into base into height. Then here are 1 by 2 into AC into H1. Then we can write that what 1 by 2 into AC into H1 plus 1 by 2 into AC is the common base of the both triangles. That's why AC into H2. AC into Then what we learn here? Here the common side is here. Then quadrant is equal to, when we got the find the formula, what? 1 by 2 into h1 plus h2. h1 plus h2 into what? AC. AC is what here? Base. Then we what? We got the formula. That is what? 1 by 2 into h1 plus h2 into AC. Then we can find the easily first area of a quadrilateral. Okay. Now we find the area of a special in special case. Special case means what? What are the special quadrilaterals? That is the what? Rhombus. Rhombus is the special quadrilaterals. Now you find the what? How can you find the area of a rhombus? See the board. I go for understood how can you find the area of a quadrilaterals. Now in special case. In special, which is the special quadrilaterals? The rhombus. Rhombus is a, we know that rhombus is known as what? Rhombus is a special kind of quadrilateral. Rhombus is the known as what? Special kinds of quadrilaterals in which the two diagonals two diagonals. How many diagonals? Two diagonals. Here I go at rhombus. See, one the two diagonals bisect each other. Two diagonals bisect each other at how much? Last time I told you bisect each other at first at right angle. Yeah, right angle. Now in construction of the what? Rhombus. Also you know that rhombus these sides are what? Equal. These sides are equal. Here in construction a rhombus, there are two diagonals. Here is the diagonals. Here is the diagonals. Okay, two diagonals when we give words A, B, C, D. Then where each sides are equal and words. Here what? Each sides are equal and the diagonals should be words. Then in the figure ABCD is a rhombus. In the figure ABCD is a rhombus. Then here what we found? Here the two diagonal. Here the two diagonal is AC and BD. Here is the two diagonals. Here two diagonals is what? AC is one diagonal and BD is one diagonal. AC and BD is the two diagonals and bisect each other at, when you give the name bisect, BD is bisect each other what degree? Each other equal to what? Each other at O. Okay, see, each other both are bisected to O. Then we can say that what? AO here, AO equal to what? BO. That means here AO equal to BO. We can say that then AO here. AO equal to BO. Okay, that means AO or BO. That means see, AO equal to BO. Those are bisects. And you can say that AO is perpendicular or which one? BD. AO is right in the two diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Then when BD is the AO is the perpendicular of BD. Clear about it? How it is the perpendicular to BD? Such and also CO is also perpendicular of what? BD. Yes or no? CO. Then you can say that CO is perpendicular of BD. Clear about it? Two perpendicular because the diagonal of a rhombus is bisect each other at right angles. We know that first. Then from the figure, is it quite evident that then from the figure, what we learn, it is quite and what's evidence that quite evident that okay, I will use the above lines and do the others. Okay, quite evident that area of rhombus ABCD. Okay, area of rhombus ABCD equal to area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ADB plus area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD plus BDC. Area of triangle BDC. Okay, area of triangle. There how many triangles form? ABD and BDC is the triangle. Then the area of ABCD numbers equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. That means we know that the what's area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Then here height is what? AO is the height perpendicular, CO is the perpendicular of the given first triangle. So you can say that 1 by 2 into BD into AO. So if you write the formula, then we know that 1 by 2 into. Here the BD is the common base. That is the what's base. So we say the BD. And here where is the what is the height of the triangle in ABD? AO is the height and into AO plus. In second triangles, in triangles first BDC, what is the base is here? BD is the base. Then 1 by 2 into BD. Okay, 1 by 2 into BD. Here is the BD, and here the height is what? CO. Then we said what? Into CO is the base. Clear about this? How can we then see 1 by 2 into base into height, 1 by 2 into base into height. Then when observe the formula, what is 1 by 2 into AO plus CO? That means 1 by 2 into sum of the two diagonals heights into what? Base. Then you can say that 1 by 2 into AO plus CO. AO plus CO. That means here AO is AO and CO into what's BD. Into BD. Why BD? BD is the common base of both given triangles. Then we can be AO plus CO. See, AO plus CO equal to AC is there. AO plus CO equal to AC. Then we can now write it first. Then 1 by 2 into AC into BD. That means product of two diagonals. Then 1 by 2 into AC into BD. Why AC into BD? You know that AC because see AO plus CO. That means AO plus CO equal to AC. That's why AC. And BD, that is the BD. That means we got the formula. And how can find the what's the area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into AC into BD or 1 by 2 into product of the diagonals. Okay. Thus finally we got the what's formula of the rhombus. Here. Thus the area of rhombus. What's thus the area of rhombus is half of the what's product of its half of the product of its what diagonal, product of its two diagonal, products of its two diagonal. Clear about it? Product of its two diagonals. Now we will take examples for this and find the solution. Okay. Now we will first find the area of the figure, that is quadrilaterals, rhombus. We find the solutions by using given and examples. Okay. Now then find the area of the figures. Then given here question, find the area of given figure. Okay. Find the area of the given figures. Then here figure is okay. Here is the here three figures. We take a diagonal for this. Okay, figure now 3 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. A, B, C, and D. Another one. In second figure, 4 centimeter, PQRS, P Q R S, 4 cm, 4 cm, 4 cm, and 4 cm. In figure third, now 2 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, and 4 cm. Here equal to 8 cm. Now here find the three figure is given. Now we find the area. How can we find the area? See, first one is quadrilateral, and we know this. This one is 1 first, and figure 2, and figure 3. Then first figure. What is figure 1 is quadrilaterals. Then area of quadrilaterals ABCD. Area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. We know that what is the formula of area of quadrilaterals? Then 1 by 2 into first. We know the area of quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 into H1 plus H2 into what? AC. Into AC. AC means first its diagonals. Okay. AC means first its diagonals. Then here 1 by 2 into H1 is what? 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, H2 is here, 5 centimeter. Now AC is what? AC equal to 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter is here. Now 1 by 2 into 3 5, 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Now 2 4 is 8, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 4 to 6 4 is first. 24 centimeter square. Then here we got the what's area. Area of a quadrilateral is what? 24 centimeter square. Clear about it? How can you find? Then we know that the area of quadrilateral equals to what? 1 by 2 into H1 plus H2 into AC. AC, that means what? AC is here diagonals. Also instead of AC we can write its diagonal. Okay. Now second figure is C. Here is the each sides are equal, and here the diagonal is given. Okay. Here is the diagonal. Then one diagonal equals to what? 7 centimeter, another to 6 centimeter. Two diagonals given says that it is a second one is what? Second one is a rhombus. Then we know that's area of rhombus. Okay. Rhombus PQRS. Clear about it? Now second one area of rhombus PQRS. Second question. Okay, area of rhombus EQRS. We know that what is the formula of area of rhombus? Area of rhombus equal to what? 1 by 2 into product of 1 by 2 into product of its two diagonals. Two diagonal or 1 by 2 into PQ into QS. QS now 1 by 2 into PQ 7 centimeter, QS 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now 2 3 are 6, 7 centimeter into 6 centimeter equal to 7 6 is the what? That is the 3 is there 2 centimeters, then 7 is the 21 centimeters square. Here we find the words. Here we find the area of a rhombus. And area of a rhombus is what? 21 centimeters square. And also we know that what the formula of area of a rhombus? 1 by 2 into product of its two diagonal, or 1 by 2 into PQ into QS. Clear about it? How can you find the area of a rhombus? Now we will find the area of a parallelogram. We know that last class we discussed about the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to 2 into area of both triangles. Okay, 2 into area of what? Both triangles. Now see the questions. Okay. Here we know that parallelograms, that means opposite sides are equal and parallel. And here then if you give the names words x, y, z. Okay, x, y, w, z. Okay, x, y, w, z. Then here is the words parallelogram. Why parallelogram? We know that parallelograms opposite sides are equal and parallel. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. That's why area of. That's my third one is words. Area of words. Here is the words parallelogram. Here is parallelogram of words w x y w z. X y w z. We know that words area of parallelogram equal to words 2 into area of triangle words. 2 into area of triangle x, w and z. Because both sides same is there, that's why 2 into x, w, z. X, w, z. Okay, 2 into area of triangle x, w, z. Okay, then we know that words here is the area of the triangle equal to words 2 into 1 by 2. We know that area of a triangle, that means 2 into why I multiply 2? Because the two triangle is there. Okay, and 2 into 1 by 2 into base is here what's 8 and height is here what's 8 centimeter into 2 centimeter is there. Okay, 2 into 1 by 2 into 8 centimeter is there. Now 2 is 2 and 2 cancel, that 8 centimeter into 2 centimeter equal to 8 to the 16 centimeter square. Okay, then here we find the area of what? Quadrilaterals. That means whatever we find the area of quadrilaterals, find the area of a rhombus, and find the area of a what? Parallelogram. Okay, now you will first find the area of a polygon. Okay, different type of polygon is there. Now you find the area of a polygon. Okay, area of quadrilaterals. Now we learn. Now we find the area of polygon. Okay, any polygon is given, then how can you find the area of polygons? By splitting the figure. You can find the all are known as the polygons, but having three sides is known as three side is known as triangle. Four side is known as what? Quadrilaterals. Same we find the area of a polygons. Now area of polygon. Okay, how can you find the area of a polygon on splitting the polygons triangles and trapezium also the why does the determine the area of any polygons. Now here the given in figures. So suppose let the questions here. I will give another one example for it. Okay. Now examples 1. Example 1. Here is the question in the figure. Here in PQRS. Now we will relate examples of first. Already we know about the triangle of area, polygonal area, rhombus area. Now we will find first. Find the area of octagonal surface. Okay. Find the area of octagonal surface. Octagonal surface. Octagonal surface means what? How many sides is in octagonals? That means there is the 8 sides. Okay. Then how can you find the octagonal surface? Given below. It is the octagon is given C. Yes. Octagon is given like here is the words draw. Here 5 cm, 5 cm. Yes, okay. Upper surface means what? Above is what? Here is the 4 cm. 4 cm in a figure, and base is the what? 11 cm. And measure is given, and how can you find the first area? Then when first we give the names. Suppose what is the name of A, B, C, D? Let me start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. How many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sets. 8 sets is there. Then how can you find the 8 sets? Let's split the regular octagons. One is the below. Then first what? Octagon is given. Then I split it into rectangulars. स्प्लिट किए हैं मतलब क्या करना, इसको स्प्लिट कर देना मतलब अलग अलग कर देना. दिस इज द octagon regular 2 trapeziums. Then it should be how many trapeziums? 2 trapezium. First this one is 1 trapezium, and second one is 2 trapezium, and third one is rectangles. How many it should be splits? Then since the octagon is regular, show solution. Okay. How can we solve it solutions? And top of here, let us split the what? Split the regular octagon. Regular octagon. When we split means what? We cut it. We see here we cut the 1 trapezium. Okay. Here is the rectangle, and here is the another trapezium. And how many figures should we split? 2, 3 figures. Here is the one, and here is the another. Okay, clear about it. Then since the octagon is what? Since the octagon is octagon is regular. Octagon is regular. That means octagon is, but the 2 trapeziums. But the 2 trapeziums. What are the 2 trapeziums? See, this one is 1 trapezium, and this one is 2 trapeziums. Okay, 2 trapezium is there, are congruent. 2 trapeziums are congruent. Okay, 2 trapeziums are congruent. So area of trapezium. F, G, D, E. Okay, F, G, D, and E. So one trapezium is there. H, D is 1 trapezium equal to area of trapezium. Is for TRAP, that means trapezium. Then from the figure. From this figures, area of octagon area of octagon equal to what? How many trapezium is what? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. How many trapeziums? Area of trapezium plus what is here? E F G D E. F G D E plus. Okay. Area of FG plus area of rectangle. Area of which rectangles? G B C H. G B C H plus area of another trapezium. Area of trapezium. Which trapezium? H C B A. Okay. H C B and A. Where what is C? How many we can split how many parts? 3 parts. First one is trapezium, second one is rectangles, and third one is trapeziums. Then we can find the area of trapeziums, then area of rectangles, then area of again trapeziums, then we got the area of the octagons. Then we know that's what's 1 by 2 into what? Sum of the sides. Here is the sides is what? Rectangle equal to 5 plus here is the 4 is given. Now we can find here is the 4 centimeters. Okay, show area. Then 1 by 2 into you can find here, see here 1 by 2 into here is the what side is what here 5. Okay, then 5 plus here the base is what 11. 5 plus 11. Okay, 5 plus 11 into where is the what 4 into 4. Okay, 5 plus 4 into 4 plus again we can find the area of what the rectangles. Then area of rectangle equal to what base into 11 into 5. Okay, so 11 into 5 plus okay area of trapezium, area of what rectangles, because here the rectangle is here, so area of rectangle again 1 by 2 into 5 plus again what 1 by 2 into 5 plus 11 into 4. Okay, that is the area of first trapezium, then area of rectangles, then area of first trapezium. Then we can easily find its first here 5 11 16, then 1 by 2 into 16 into 4. Okay, plus 11 5 ja 55 plus 1 by 2 into 16 into 4. Now that 2 is 16, 32 centimeter plus 55 centimeter plus 2 is 16, 32 centimeter. Okay, now 32, 64 and 55. We can add all the words 100 words. See, 64 centimeter plus 55 equal to 119 centimeter square. Then we got the words. Here the area of octagon is 119 centimeter square. Clear about it? How can you find the area of a what? Area of a polygon. That means if any polygon is given, then we can split and find the area. Okay. So here we can find the area of the what? Polygon. So dear students, I hope you learned how can you find the area of a special kinds of quadrilaters, area of a quadrilaters, and area of a polygons. Remains we will discuss in our next classes. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.